Yeah, big body Benz, I have bought from my mama. Big body Escalade, wild like a Hummer. When I pay the cash, I put racks in the double. Too many hoes that come in by the double. We kicking hoes out the hotel like karate. My bitch bad, she look like a Barbie. Me and the baby like Jordan and Scotty. I don't even rap, I still keep just a hobby.
Not me, when I rap, I get paid for that shit. Someone ducked off in LA with your bitch. I just flew commercial, I didn't wear a mask in the airport. My arm on your bed in the pit. Serious, I don't even play about that money. Tell me you driving the Maybach or something. Everybody gon' have something to say when I bun them. I can kick the shit all kind of ways, how you want it?
Gave 50 racks to my mama and bought her a Benz. I do not care about the cost. Shorty annoying, she wanna FaceTime me all day, but I pick up and put her on pause. I be working all day, do not question my loyalty, nigga. If I